Hey there, Supercoder! Today, let's go through the basic motion blocks in Scratch. Ready? Let's get started! First, go to the Motion category and drag the block Move 10 steps. Click it. What's happening? Our sprite is moving 10 steps. Cool, right? Next block, Turn 15 degrees. Grab it and click. See that? Our sprite is turning 15 degrees. You can change the value and try different turns. Feel free to experiment. Now grab Go to Random Position. Click it. Whoa! Our sprite jumps anywhere it likes on the screen. But what if we want our little cat to go to a specific place? For that, we use Go to X, Y. Just position the sprite where you want. Then grab the Go to X: Y: block. See the coordinates? Those become the exact position of our sprite. Cool! Now, instead of jumping, what if we want smooth movement? Use Glide 1 second to Random Position. Click it. See? Our cat moves smoothly. We also have Glide 1 second to X, Y. So just like Go to X, Y, but smoother. Next, Direction Control. Grab Point in Direction and set the angle. Perfect! Now the sprite faces that direction. There's another block, Point Towards. Right now it shows mouse pointer. Click it. See? The sprite points to your mouse. But why the drop-down? Let's add another sprite, say an apple. Now open the drop-down. See that? Our cat can point towards the apple too. Cool! Next, we have Change X By. It's like Move, but only along the X-axis. Use positive values to go right, negative values to go left. Similarly, Change Y By moves up and down. Now we have Set X to and Set Y to. Let me explain simply. If we set X equals 30 and Y equals 40, that becomes the sprite's exact position. You can even use the X position and Y position reporter blocks inside GoTo. Try it out! Now click Move 10 steps repeatedly. When it reaches the edge, what happens? It stops at the boundary, right? To fix that, use If on Edge, Bounce. Now it comes back. Nice. But our cat is upside down now. Let's fix that using Set Rotation Style, right arrow left right. Perfect! Now it looks proper again. So that's all about the motion category basics. That's it for today, Supercoder. Let me know if you like this kind of video. Until next time, happy coding! Bye!